TokyoPaul and you're watching Made in Tokyo. For my latest videos on Japan, consider clicking on that subscribe button, that notifications bell for more videos on Japan. This video is best viewed in 4K. Feel free to move around your mobile device, swipe around on your screen, or arrow keys to move around. This is the Okuma Auditorium. It is a 3-story auditorium with 1,435 seats. To the left of the auditorium stands a 7-story high clock tower. The auditorium holds important events and lectures organized by the university. And on days that is not used by Waseda University, club-sponsored events, seminars, and activities are held there. This is Uni.Shop Café 125, which opened in April 2002 in excitement of the 125th annual celebration of Waseda University. Within Uni.Shop, university goods and the Uni Cafe 125 snacks and drinks are sold. Front is a classy open deck where guests can enjoy some sunbathing even while drinking coffee. A lot of people come here to take it easy during lunch breaks. Nearby is the Okuma Garden where tourists can enjoy the curtain season. If you're in the neighborhood, please stop by and take a walk around. Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we are exploring Waseda University. Waseda is ranked among the top of the most academically selective and elite institutions in the Japanese university rankings. It is also ranked alongside Keio University, its rival, as Japan's best private university. Waseda ranked 189th in the QS World University Rankings in 2021. This is the bronze sculpture of Shigenobu Okuma, the founder of Waseda University. 298 centimeters in height, and wearing a scholarly gown, he looks like a scholar. Born in 1838, Mr. Okuma was the child of a gunnery instructor. This is the work of sculptor Fumio Asakura, and it has become the symbol of the university as it stands in the center of campus. Waseda has 36 departments, 13 undergraduate and 23 graduate schools. At any time, there are a little over 40,000 undergraduate and 8,000 graduate students at Waseda. Moreover, the central campus is in Shinjuku. There are also satellite campuses in Chūō, Nishitōkyō, Tokorozawa, Honjō and Kitakyūshū. Waseda has a number of distinguished alumni, including several Japanese prime ministers, for example, Yoshihiko Noda, and leading figures of literature such as Haruki Murakami, and CEOs and former CEOs of famous companies such as Uniqlo, Sony, Honda, Toshiba, and even the Samsung Group, just to name a few. This is the museum of the Tsubouchi Memorial Theater. It is a university museum dedicated to the history of drama and arts. The museum was named after Tsubouchi Shōyo, a famous writer known for his theatrical work and for translating Shakespeare's collected works into Japanese. Officially opened in 1928, the Waseda Theatre Museum is modeled after London's Fortune Theatre. Alright, that was a lot of information. Let's get some coffee. I'm Paul, your host. Don't forget to subscribe, comment if you like this video, and stay tuned for the next one.